Hello, today I'm gonna review and look upon the home recording equipment which might help for those who just started in this arena. I will try to make it as comprehensive as possible in a simple way. You will just need few stuff ready for your recording. First, digital audio workstation, or we call as DAW. It is a software program that used for composing, producing, recording, mixing, and editing audio and MIDI. I have a few suggestions which you can get them for free, such as Audacity, which I am currently using right now, Pro Tools first, Rose Garden, Linux Multimedia Studio, and StageLight. Second one is video editing software. I am using Premiere Pro 20 for my project, and these are my suggestions if you wanna get one. First, Cyberlink Power Director. Second, Final Cut Pro. Third, Lightwork. And fourth, Hit Film Express, and the list goes on. The third one is laptop or PC. Of course, you will need a laptop or PC for home recording. You need to install DAW and video editing software inside your laptop or PC. Fourth one is condenser microphone. The one I'm using right now here is MXL770. It's a professional condenser microphone that offers best quality with cheap price. The fifth one is audio interface. You can find so many good audio interface out there. Just do your homework, find the best one that suits your needs. For me, right here I'm using Focusrite Scarlett Solo. It has two channels. One is 6mm plug for instruments and one is XLR cable for mic. But bear in mind that the more instruments you're recording, the more channels you will need in an audio interface. Otherwise, you have to overlay those sound one by one, which gives you extra work. And the most important part, make sure that your audio interface has 48V phantom power to power up the condenser mic. The sixth one is recording headphones. Don't get mistaken with the normal headphones and the recording headphones. It has many different characteristics, but the main difference between the two types of the headphones is that studio headphones are designed to provide an accurate reproduction of audio. They do this so that during recording, mixing, mastering, problem can be heard easily and rectified. Normal headphones, on the other hand, provide the listener with a more pleasurable listening experience. The seventh one is instrument. This is optional for you. It depends on what you need, whether you're recording solo vocal, acoustic version, or a band. And there you go, you can do simple home recording.